Myself Karan Gudale from UCAM Private Limited. We are the India's largest manufacturer of CNC rotary table. Today we are at MTEX. We have many new products launched for this MTEX, especially for all industrial sectors. Let's have a walkthrough to our new generation new tables what we have launched. These are our new technology roller cam, the 200 table 83 RPM with high braking torque, especially for electronics industries. The 250 roller cam table. It will also give a braking torque as compared to the worm and worm wheel tables. This is our direct drive production system. In this there is a table without any gear. So it's a direct torque motor which we have inbuilt in it. So for high acceleration and deceleration, you can use this table. So the table RPM goes from 150 to 200. Also, we have launched new product, the 153 tilting table. It's very compact and you can go very high speed and on the smaller machines. So with these tables, with the small size of machines, you can use it as a 5-axis tables. Then we have also introduced the 250 tilting table. This is especially for higher load carrying capacity. With these tables, you can go up to 100 kgs, bigger size of tables. With this 250, you can get swing of 300, 4+1, or you can say a continuous 5-axis table. These are our series of 4th axis tables, starting from die 180, 200, 250, 320. These are HS series tables which we have launched some time back with the RPM of 44. It's very much compact in size and it can be easily mounted on the smaller compact machines. These are our range of 200 tilting tables, USSR 200, ULSR 200. So with this, you can get a swing of -30 to +110 degree. Currently, we have shown the component of orthopedic implant. So you can see it can be continuously, while rotating it is taking a tilting angle also. So you can use it as a rotary as well as tilting table. It can go -10 degree to +110 degree. So it's very much compact and you can easily mount on it along Y-axis. These are our ULSR 200 tables. With this 200 table, you will get a swing of 400 mm. So with a smaller load carrying capacity but a bigger diameter component, you can easily go with this. Diat 200 production system. We call this as URPQ 200 with the swing of 250 mm and the length which we are shown here is 1000 mm. It is completely customizable and made for the customer based on the customer height, weight and dimensions. Diat 320 tilting table for bigger components with the load carrying capacity of 100 kgs. So the tilting range is -30 degree to 110 degree. Our range of accessories which goes along with our table, as UCAM is not only providing the tables but we are giving a complete solutions to our customers. So with the help of our accessories like table, tailstock, rotary and boosters, we give a complete solution to the customer to increase their productivity and reduce their cycle time. One more our fantastic table which we are proud of making is spindle tilting rotary tables. We can give up to 3 spindle, 4 spindle in diet 125 and diet 170 table.